you want to use Honeygain to make money but have no idea how to use it, don't even think about starting without knowing these things. Otherwise, you'll just waste your efforts and you won't make any money. By watching this video to the end, you'll be able to follow the step-by-step method I'll show you and safely install this app on your device to start making money smartly from home. As someone who uses Honeygain, I can say that I'm glad I installed this app on my device and created a passive income stream for myself through it. Now, without forgetting the value of our time, let's move on to creating a passive source of income. Step 1. Security. If you don't download this app from secure sites, you're setting yourself up for serious trouble. This doesn't just apply to Honeygain, it's true for all apps you download. Files downloaded from unreliable sources can install malicious software on your device, steal your information, and even render your device completely unusable. Trust me, this isn't just an unpleasant surprise, it's a risk that could turn your life into a nightmare. When downloading Honeygain, you should stick to the official website or verified links. A few moments of carelessness can lead to problems that may take years to resolve. Imagine your stolen personal information falling into the wrong hands. You won't be able to protect either your credit card details or your private data. That's why you should always avoid files from sources you don't trust. If you want to avoid falling into this trap, you can download the app safely using the link I've provided in the description and comment sections of this video. However, if you skip step 2, you'll find yourself thinking, I wish I had watched it and taken advantage of this opportunity. Step 2. Referral code. If you are signing up for this app for the first time or have already signed up but didn't use a referral code, this would be a big mistake. That's because Honeygain offers new users a special bonus when they register with a referral code. Signing up without taking advantage of this opportunity unnecessarily prolongs your earning process and makes you miss out on the benefits you could have gained right from the start. If you have already signed up without using a referral code, I strongly recommend creating a new account and using the code this time. How to use a referral code. Using a referral code is incredibly simple. During the registration process, just enter the recommended code in the referral code field. However, if you find this method difficult, you can simply click the link provided below the video, and the bonus will automatically be added to your account. This way, you'll get an instant bonus and start your earning journey with a head start. This simple step not only speeds up your earning process, but also helps you generate extra income. It's an opportunity you definitely wouldn't want to miss, right? But if you skip the final step, things might not turn out as you'd hoped. Step 3. System and others. All right, my dears. Let's say you've carefully followed steps 1 and 2 and completed all the necessary actions. However, if you don't grant the permissions required by Honeygain, the app won't allow you to earn money. But don't worry, if you follow the steps I'll show you one by one, you'll soon create a passive income source for yourself. Let's get started. First, use the link provided to access Honeygain. Choose the account you want to register with, then install Honeygain on your device. After installation, log in using the account you just registered and grant all the permissions Honeygain requests. If you're unsure about these permissions, you can watch the related video on my channel for guidance. One important note. If your device has an outdated operating system, you won't be able to use this app. So, make sure your device is up to date. Alright, my friends, we've reached the end of this video. By carefully following the 3 steps I've shown you, you can create a passive income source for yourself. It would be a big mistake not to take advantage of this opportunity while it's available. You might find yourself considering deleting the app while using it, but if you do so, you won't succeed in life either. Because persistence and not giving up are among the most important factors for success.